It is important for students to learn digital citizenship in my classroom because as 21st century learners, technology is going to be a part of their lives. That's inevitable. And we are also going to use it in the classroom. So it's important that students know how to use technology safely and responsibly within the classroom, since I will ask them to use it for assignments and research. I also think it's important for citizens of today's society to understand how to be leaders in their personal online use as well. And by teaching digital citizenship in the classroom, then my students can learn to be leaders who are responsible, not only by being an example, but we can be a better community because of their safety and responsibility in online usage. What that might look like is they learn the skills to be responsible in research online in my class, but as they take those skills to their personal use, if they notice on social media that somebody is being bullied or verbally abused or might be in a place of committing self-harm, they will also know that part of their digital citizenship is to look out for that other friend's safety, and they can speak up and say something to a parent or teacher or administrator, and in turn make our entire community and society better because of their responsibility and leadership that they have exercised under the guidance of digital citizenship in my classroom.